What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, we have here some cracks along the panel. These are kind of in a good shape. It's a good thing that they brought it here early enough where it's not too destroyed. So what I'm going to do is wind up in these cracks, just filling these up with super glue. And then I'm going to back this with epoxy and fiberglass. Same thing here. I'm going to do some repairs before I go and do anything else. Since he already did some work on this already, which would have these screws in there, I'm going to pull out this armrest area and reinforce like these tabs and stuff that broke off, and just go ahead and back this in with epoxy. Same thing. So I got the two door panels I'm going to go ahead and work on, and hopefully I could get it step by step where you guys can repair them yourself. All right, so first things first is to attack these cracks. Take off this rain weather stripping and yeah, start doing the work here. Reveal the crack right up underneath there, right along here. As you can see, gotta remove all this stuff. I'm pretty sure some of these tabs are broken too, but that's not my main focus. I can always glue these two pieces together, which I'm not gonna do, but it could always happen that way. All right, take off this piece of foam at the corner there. So go ahead and pop open the glue. What I'm going to do is open up the crap by pushing on the opposite side and allowing the super glue to fall into the crack. All right, so I got everything glued in now. All the cracks are sealed. What I'm gonna do now is go get my belt sander and go ahead and sand down around the cracks. I'm not gonna sand the actual glue on the cracks because I don't wanna remove that, and next thing you know, it's back to getting cracked again. So I'm just gonna go around the cracks, sand down the surface, and get that ready for epoxy and fiberglass. All right, so we're on the next day. We got the epoxy to go ahead and dry. This is what it looks like right now. It's dry to the touch, nice and strong. Everything is stiff. So what we're gonna do now is we'll go ahead and move on to the door handle parts. Just gonna go ahead and unscrew these. Hopefully everything is intact so I don't have to do too much. On this door panel, I was able to shave down these little extra ribs, which I should have did on this panel too. So I want to have this this layer uplift. I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take these off. See, they're not even holding. They're dead. And these screws you never use. These make the hole way bigger than they're supposed to be, and they will never hold into the plastic. So all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start to clean up inside here. Go ahead and grind down these ribs and start to grind inside here. Getting up here nice and scuffed up so the epoxy can hold. Let's just go ahead and do this. All right, everything's nice and flat now. Have no ribs inside here, no more supports. Everything's just nice and flat. I left these mounting tabs, but I'll just work around those. And yeah, everything's nice and flat, nice and sanded down. And go ahead and start to apply the epoxy and fiberglass. The proper screws to use here. Goes all the way, the thread goes all the way down. So we're going to use those. And here we are. That's all it takes to repair your broken or fragile door panels. Just a little bit of epoxy and some time. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Everything's nice and stiff. Everything's now screwed back in. And yeah, I'm gonna call the customer and let them come for his stuff. Go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the post notification, and see you on the next video. Peace.